Hello and welcome to Camperversions. Today I'm going to be giving you this walk around video on this 21 plate T6.1. This is a long wheelbase Highline in pure grey. Highline spec being as standard air conditioning, cruise control, front and rear sensors, Apple CarPlay on this. And it's been built to our Pioneer Explorer specification. We've got the table, sliding door, table store as well in this, which is an upgrade from the Explorer pack. We've got the rib bed, Eberspacher heater, sink and hob, fridge. The van is a tailgate model. We've also got a factory reversing camera on this. Loads of storage space in the boot with the rib bed, and also because this is a long wheelbase, we do have some additional space there behind the furniture. Pop top roof with bed, meaning this is 4 berth, can sleep 4 people. It's been extremely well looked after. We converted this about 2 years ago. Mileage on this is 27,000. The van's also got a Ghost Immobiliser and a tracker. Thanks very much for watching.